guys, welcome to Tech Speakers. Today we are having many technical content. So without any delay, let us start our new tech news episode number 4. Today's date is 28th April 2020. This technical update is from Vivo. Few days back in February, Vivo smartwatch has been spotted in few certification pages and also spotted in European trade market certification. But there is no information about Indian trade market certification. This technical update is from Airtel as well as Nokia. These two companies had made a deal around $1 billion. These two organizations had mentioned that in future, especially in India, it is very important to grow 5G network. By this partnership, they can build very strong 5G network. This technical update is from Samsung. Samsung had quietly launched its Galaxy J2 variant Core 2020. This mobile is slightly upgraded version of Galaxy J2 which had been launched in the year 2018. The price of this variant can be expected around 6,299 INR. It can come only in single variant, that is 1GB RAM plus 16GB internal storage. It is also available in blue, black and gold colors. The company had a listed EMI options starting from Rs 296.51 per month. Moving on to its complete specifications, it comes with dual micro SIM, but it run on outdated Android 8.1 Oreo. In bracket you can keep as Go edition. The smartphone will have a 5-inch TFT LCD HD display and it is powered with unnamed 1.4 GHz quad-core SoC. Moreover, we can add micro SD card to boost internal storage and it can be expandable up to 256 GB only. Finally, on the optic part, there is a 8 megapixel camera which comes with aperture f2.2 and an LED flash. It also comes with 5MP selfie camera. It comes with aperture f2.2. The Galaxy J2 2020 comes with removable battery. The capacity of the battery will be around 2600 mAh. This technical update is from Redmi. We know that Redmi Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max had recently launched in India. Most of the people think that the pricing of this mobile was a bit expensive. Apart from that, Redmi Note 9 is going to be launched in India very soon. It is also spotted in TINA certification. The same mobile can be launched in China with the name of Redmi 10X. The few specifications of this mobile are: it can come with 6.53 Full HD Plus display and it will be powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor and it is also paired with 6GB RAM. It can also run with Android 10 and with MIUI 11. Furthermore, this mobile may have 48 megapixel as primary camera and it can come with a pack of 5030 mAh battery. This technical update is from Google. Few leaks from the sources are saying that its Google Buds second generation are going to be priced around 179 USD. If we convert this into Indian rupees, it will be around 13,600. This technical update is from MI. These are the mobiles which are going to get MIUI 12 update. The batch 1 mobiles will get MIUI 12 update by the end of June, later followed by the batch 2 mobiles. This update is from Qualcomm. Qualcomm had recently announced its fast charging 3 plus support for mid-range mobiles, so that if we had a mid-range mobile with this support, we can charge 0 to 50% of our mobile within just 15 minutes.